was yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay.
After walking by the Sugar Factory Express restaurant so many times, I finally made the effort to actually check it out and try out their food and drinks. Sugar Factory is known all over the world for its celebrity-endorsed couture pops. Some of these celebrities include the Kardashians and Jenners, Britney Spears, Drake, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, Bruno Mars, and more. The restaurant is popular for its signature 36-ounce alcohol-infused smoking candy goblet drinks, all of which can also be made without alcohol. The restaurant offers an extensive menu suitable for brunch, lunch, and dinner, as well as a variety of desserts to choose from. Since it was my first time eating here, I decided that it was only fitting for me to order the signature goblet drink. I ordered the Island Oasis, which is designed and tested by Kevin Hart. The Island Oasis is made with tropical banana and coconut flavors and crisp pineapple juice. It's topped with tropical drops, twin cherries, and 3 tropical fruit slices. I also had a bunch of gummy worms in mine as well. For food, I ordered the strawberry cheesecake stuffed waffle, which is warm waffles stuffed with strawberries and New York style cheesecake. It's topped with strawberries, whipped cream, strawberry sauce, and powdered sugar. All in all, the Sugar Factory is an iconic dining and entertainment experience known for its extravagant desserts, whimsical drinks, and lively decor. I should also add that when I had brunch there, they were playing 90s and early 2000s music, which is totally my jam and totally nostalgic. It's important to note that the Mall of America opens at 10 a.m., but the Sugar Factory Express opens at 11 a.m. My favorite meal of the day is actually breakfast, so when I found out that Sugar Factory Express offered a brunch menu at open, I was definitely a happy camper, hence why I got the waffles. However, for those who want to go right to the lunch menu, there was that option as well.
Drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna.
So, I made a classic newbie mistake here and forgot to turn on my mic when I filmed this portion of the video. There was a lot of background noise in this clip where I tell you all about the coupon book and share my opinion on it. So instead, I'm going to do a voiceover and try to recap what I discussed in this clip. The 2026 Mall of America coupon book can be picked up at any of the guest service desks at the mall, and those are all located on the first level. Right now, the book retails for $9.99. But the question is this book worth it? The book has over 200 pages of $1,000 worth of savings. It also has a map of where the store is located in the mall on the back of each coupon. There is also an index by alphabet at the back of the book. So let's say you walk into a store and you want to see if there's a coupon that you can use in that store. You can quickly flip to the back of the book to look up the page where the coupon is. Then go to that page and also see where the store is located. The coupons are broken down into categories. Those categories are apparel, attractions and entertainment, books, cards and gifts, convenience and service, dining for coffee and tea, fast casual dining, food court dining, full service dining, dining for sweets and treats, eyewear, health and beauty, home, jewelry and accessories, luggage and bags, shoes, toys, games and hobbies, and lastly, accommodations. The coupons may not be used with other coupons unless otherwise noted within the coupon itself. The coupons are valid for use between January 1st of 2026 to December 31st of 2026. I would say that I've had the chance to go through and review all of the coupons that are in the book. There are a ton of BOGO deals, so buy one, get one. There's 15 to 20% off coupons and some that even offer $1 to $2 off. In my opinion, I would say that yeah, it is definitely worth it. Being able to use it throughout the entire year is nice because you don't need to use it right away or all in just one visit. If you come to the mall often throughout the year for various reasons, you can spread the coupons out and use them as you need to. There's a little bit of something in the book for everyone, from food to clothes to toys to entertainment and more. After saving a couple of bucks here and there, you'll eventually and definitely get your money's worth back. Now, I would say that for those who do not come to the Mall of America often, this coupon book would probably not be a good fit for those individuals because you need a visit to spend and to be able to actually make use of the coupons. If you found this video helpful in any way whatsoever, I invite you to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll catch you on the next one.
So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no.